Hey Daniel, thank you again for
You're
coming. We loved having you and Branka. How did this retreat help you to reach your objectives for the week?
I think the videos we saw were really helpful. There was some really good information, and we had time to discuss before they showed, but also afterwards. And to me, that was really nice because usually I watch them alone. I think the other thing is you're flooded with books here, and so often I would just sit there and read them. And I went to Amazon this morning. I think I ordered 3 books and an Instapot.
Nice.
So those were really helpful. Yay!
Yay. I love it. What will you change when you get home?
I have 3 things. Eat 80%, and I think that's a big one for me because it was really looking at how can I drop some weight, how can I feel more energetic. Caloric density is a big one for me, to eat foods that are not so heavy in calories. And then the third one is no oil. Not less oil, no oil, but those are my 3.
Wonderful. That's exciting. What words of wisdom do you have for others on this journey?
Jump in, both feet. Community is everything. And sometimes I think I felt alone on my journey, even though my wife was with me with Branka. But here you have a community of people that care, and you've given us your information to contact you afterwards. And you sent us home with the best Tupperware food. We're ready to go. So we have food and recipes to go for the next week.
Wonderful. Thank you. We loved having you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.